What horse is that? What's your horse's name? Tom? Are you trotting?
Uh-huh.
Show me a canter. Now can you say whoa?
Whoa.
Now can you walk? Now how about a trot? Now how about a canter? Atta girl. Say good boy, Tom.
Good boy, Tom.
He's a nice boy, huh?
No.
Ooh.
No. What?
What are you doing now? You trotting?
Good boy, Tom. I'm all done.
All right.